welcome to another iteration of the Crown Lounge. What we got today for a comparison is a strawberry daiquiri mix that I found on Amazon. It is by Infusion Mixers, New York. It is strawberry daiquiri, and it makes about 25.36 ounces. You mix it with white rum. And this one actually says you're only supposed to infuse it for 3 to 5 hours. Where you can for a minimum of 3 to 5 hours, but we're going to do it at least a day. And this one actually comes with a personal little strainer to use when you pour it through. Looks interesting. It looks like it has some strawberries and some oranges or lemons in there. I'm sure if I read the ingredients I could probably tell if it has ingredients on it. Yes. Sugar, dried lemon slices, dried strawberries, artificial flavors and colors. So it should be interesting. Come back and we'll see how it goes. Bye. All right, we'll come back to the strawberry daiquiri by Cocktail Infused Mixers, New York. Color wise, it looks really, really good. Right, it's been sitting about 5 or 6 days. It says it's only supposed to be sit for a day. The only gripe I've had with it is I had to actually get something in there and unstick the sugar. It's not fully dissolved yet. I mean, it was worse, but that's the only gripe that I have with it is the sugar. It just settled really hard at the bottom, and I had to get a metal straw that I had to break it up and shake it up. But other than that, it looks good. Color wise, it smells a little bit like strawberries. So we will compare it to a real strawberry daiquiri to see. I think the only downside to comparing it with a strawberry daiquiri is strawberry daiquiri will be frozen. This is more of a liquid, more of a cocktail. So the comparison as in texture may be different, but we're going for flavor anyway, so it doesn't matter. In order to compare our strawberry daiquiri mix from Cocktail Infusion Mixers, New York, we need to make a strawberry daiquiri, right? Strawberry daiquiri is a pretty simple drink. It is rum, strawberries, fresh strawberries, ice, simple syrup, and that's it. So, get a cup of ice. Take 4 or 5 large strawberries. I've already chopped them because why would you want to watch me chop strawberries? An ounce of simple syrup. Come on, 1,002. We're going to go 1.5 ounces of rum. We're going to blend it. Now that we blend it, we're going to pour it in our glass. I don't know what a proper daiquiri glass is, but this has to suffice. And I put some ice in another glass, right? Because I figure it would be better, even though it's cold from the fridge, but better with some ice. Which is good because it comes with its own little filter, right? Okay, now we're going to take our strawberry daiquiri mix that we made a few days ago and strain it over the glass with ice. It also says you can mix it and blend it with ice and some lemonade. But they say the traditional way is to do it like this with ice in a glass. So we'll see, we'll compare to a strawberry daiquiri. Alright, so traditional one. I'm not a strawberry daiquiri guy by no means, but this is a good solid drink. Alright, let me stop. Okay, the Cocktail Infusion mixer. It's decent. It's good. It's strong. I think it'd be better if I blend it with some ice. Again, I can drink strong. It may be too strong for people who don't drink. But it's good. It's good. They both are good. What do I prefer? I prefer this one to be blended a little bit more, but this is good. It's not as good as an original recipe one, right? But instead of blending it and doing all that, and you want to make some for a group of people, actually what it probably be really good is shots also, like strawberry daiquiri shots. Yeah, for sure. So strawberry daiquiri shots, something different for your little parties or whatever, this would probably go really, really good for that. Alright, so what I thought about was I should probably try it with ice and a splash of lemonade, right? Blended, just so I can see if it's worth it. That could be a better way to do it, right? Alright, so let's see how much better is it blended with. The only lemonade I had was some simple strawberry lemonade. So I put a little bit of that in there, didn't really measure it, but that way is way better. It takes some of the kick out of it, right? So you don't feel like you're getting drunk. You're still gonna get drunk, but at least you won't feel like it is when it hits your throat. I drank all the other one, just the normal strawberry daiquiri, so I can't really compare right now, but I remember how it tastes. And this is actually pretty good this way. So my suggestion with this is to follow the directions that says for the non-traditional way is to add a splash of lemonade and ice and blend it, right? Because it tastes better. Not as strong. Real good, easy cocktail that goes down. So play with the amount of lemonade that you think you should play with, but it's actually not a bad thing, especially for parties and get-togethers. Get a few bottles of these and just simply blend it with a little lemonade and ice and serve to your guests. And give them an Uber later or a Lyft, whatever works for you. Bye!